recently had an EF1 tornado with winds up to 110 miles per hour blow through our area. We're not a massive channel that can go out and buy people new cars or pay for them to go on vacation while we rebuild their house. But I remember a quote from my middle school basketball coach. All you middle school basketball coaches out there, you have an impact. The quote goes like this: most people do nothing because they can't do everything. This means that most people don't help with small acts of kindness because they feel like they aren't having a real impact. They aren't fixing everything, so why even bother helping at all? This isn't what we believe. So we decided to go out and help a couple people that were impacted by the tornado. It was a small impact overall, but a huge impact to these people. Check it out.
This is crazy. Raspberries okay. We've got a lot of down trees. It's very loud. So we got a lot of down trees. Trying to pick them up. So is everybody else. So it seems it's all clear. We got the electricians over here because let me get down from the ladder. Caution tape. We called fire department. There's a downed power line right over there. It fell and it lit fire over there. There was also fire right there. So you're instructed not to get too close because the electricity will jump to us. A lot of carnage over there. Up there you can see the tree that fell into the roof of the garage building. And as for the interior of the garage, still a lot of damage up there to the rafters and still a big tree in it. Put most of the debris right there. There's still a giant hole in the roof. Big pile of debris. Other than that, we're all good.